Hi, and welcome to a demonstration of how we can verify a user's relationship with a third-party bank. A common use case for this is when a bank is onboarding new customers to verify sources of funds or to verify that they actually have a relationship with a third-party bank. So what we see here basically is a API screen. This is completely configurable, where you can add a number of input fields. For this example, we have my first and last name, which is a must have. The second input field here is the last 4 digits of my account number. And then the last field would be let's say a drop-down menu of banks that you want a particular user to verify their relationship with, in this case, Capital One. What's most important here is the Verify Now button. This button would live on a bank's onboarding website. And when the user clicks on this link, it actually starts the process of verifying. I'll go ahead and click on this link here. This basically starts the customer's user experience. What happens now is it's open up secure browser on the side, which prompts the user to log in and then go to the pages where the first last name in combination with the last 4 digits of the account number is displayed, and then go up to the top right corner and take a screenshot. So if I press Start Now, it takes me to Capital One's login screen. And I go ahead and log in here. And often what happens, it triggers a challenge question. And in this case, it asks me to also verify my ID through a text message. So I asked them to send the code. And as we can see on this landing page, we have the last 4 digits happen to be displayed on the very landing page, 1086, as we see here. So I go ahead and press take screenshot, and it verifies. So now I'll get up a message saying that verifies that my account number 1086 has been verified, but it also says that my name was not found on this page. So I have to go to another page within Capital One to take another screenshot. So take more screenshots, and I click on View Account and click View Details. Here my name comes up, my first and last name, and I go up again and press Take Screenshot. And that's it. We've now captured the full information that was required, and that's the full user experience. It was done in roughly a minute. So with that, I hand over to my colleague Vishal to walk us through what we captured then on the back end to see what the bank will actually see to verify the information that was captured. So over to you, Vishal.
Thank you, Per. Let me walk you through the back end where the PDF just shows up on the banking side. It can directly be attached to the customer account, and can go pass through the workflow of compliance department. And the whole process is automated. So let's open the PDF here. Here, what you're seeing is all the captured screenshots right here. If you scroll down, here's the PDF, which contains the first screenshot right here, which contains the account number. And here's the second screenshot, which was added to the same PDF. And what it does, it also attaches the SSL certificate along with it. And this whole thing is actually a digital capture. So it can be read, it's machine readable at the same time. Let me explain what the SSL is. Here on Capital One, what you see a lock on the top, and there's a certificate here, which you click, and it tells you that this is a private organization and it's registered in Delaware. It's Capital One Financial Corporation, etc., based out of Virginia. And this is a technology which, the whole internet relies on this lock. If this lock wouldn't work, you wouldn't have e-commerce or banking. So it's a battle tested technology, which the DIRO technology captures along with the document. So it captures the details of the SSL certificates right here. It says the source of the screenshot is Capital One Financial Corporation and the Identity Services Department based out of Virginia. And it shows that the domain rank of this website is pretty strong. And the Alexa ranking, again, the reach is pretty strong. So that means a legitimate site, and it's not a defrauded name. And it shows the whole SSL certificate, which is combined with this, and the DNS name. And here's the document hash of the HTML data stream and the trace route of that website at the time of capture. And this hash is actually put on the blockchain, so it makes the whole thing immutable and tamper-proof and fraud-proof. It de-risks the bank from both external fraud and internal fraud at the same time, and makes this document easily available to compliance and regulators to prove that the account was correct and verified at that time. So this provides a strong impersonation check on the person who's being onboarded. At the same time, it's able to verify the owner of the account versus just the deposits, the two deposits, which doesn't tell you the name of the account and if it's active and or the balance, etc. Thank you for watching.